I'm doing a drawing here of Emilia Clarke in ballpoint pens. This is my first attempt at doing a fair-skinned woman. I recently did some other drawings. I did a Elvis Presley and I also did Mr. Bean. These two were somewhat darker in skin, so this is why I chose Emilia, as she has a very fair skin. I'm using on here a yellow, an orange, a pink, and for darker areas a brown. This was challenging for me as you have to use the yellows and the pinks ever so lightly, where you're hardly touching the paper and just giving it a sort of a touch. It took me a few weeks to get the right pressure for the pens on the paper so that it was going down lightly. So my first few attempts at trying to do a fair-skinned face was somewhat of a failure, as I was doing the pressure too hard on the paper and the colours were coming out too bright, and it was just too yellow or too pink or too orange. So I had to sort of really practice at just touching the paper, and then once I'd found the right consistency, I thought I'd give this one a try. As it's my first attempt, I hope it's come out really well. Even as I was going through it, my pen work was getting better, and I think towards the end it was a lot better than it was when I first started. So I've learned a lot more through it, and I hope you're enjoying it. And if you are enjoying it, please hit that like button. We most appreciate it. It helps with the channel to grow a little bit more. I am also enjoying drawing these pictures in coloured pens, and I'm hoping to do a lot more. So if you like this rendition of Emilia Clarke in pen as Daenerys Targaryen from the Game of Thrones, please comment in the comments below. Be most appreciated, and I'd like to know what other people think of this picture, and hopefully I will see you on the next one. So yet again, I appreciate your watching, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Many thanks.